In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookies to your WordPress website. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to go, what to search for, and how to pick a reliable cookies consent solution, along with practical tips to help you make a confident choice. First, head to your WordPress.com dashboard and open the plugins section for the site you want to manage. This is your central hub for extending your site's features. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. The plugins area shows a curated library of tools you can add to your site to handle tasks like analytics, security, or, in this case, cookie consent. Next, use the search bar and type cookies consent. Be sure to search for consent, not contents, so you get accurate results. You'll see a range of plugins designed to display a consent banner, categorize cookies, and help align your site with privacy regulations, such as GDPR, ePrivacy, or CCPA. As you browse, open the plugin details to learn what each option offers. Look for clear descriptions, recent updates, a healthy number of active installations, and positive ratings. Check the screenshots and feature lists to see if they include the essentials you care about, like a customizable banner, options for cookie categories, region-based rules, and easy ways to manage user preferences. Now, choose the Cookies Consent plugin that best fits your needs. On WordPress.com, installing third-party plugins may require a plan that supports plugins. If you encounter an upgrade prompt, that's your cue that your current plan doesn't allow adding plugins yet. Review the plan details, weigh the benefits you'll get from a consent tool, and decide whether upgrading makes sense for your site. It's perfectly normal to pause here, compare a few plugins, and read through their documentation before committing. Once you've selected your preferred solution, the platform will guide you through the on-screen process to add it. After it's added, most tools provide a setup wizard or clear settings pages to help you fine-tune the banner text, choose which cookies load before consent, and tailor the design to match your brand. As a best practice, test your site in a private or incognito window to see exactly what new visitors will experience, and verify that non-essential scripts don't run until consent is given. Keep in mind that privacy rules vary by region, and this walkthrough isn't legal advice, so consult official guidance if you have specific compliance questions. That's it. Navigate to plugins, search for cookies consent, and choose the right plugin, noting any plan upgrade requirements. With these steps and tips, you're set up for a smooth and responsible cookie experience on your site.